So I'm adding this little bit in after noticing that I had missed a few steps. So part of our process, we want to record every one of our video calls for future reference. And that's just a great way for us to have all the information we need and to cover all our bases in the future in case of anything. So we'll of course ask them for permission to start the recording, and we'll get their permission to do so, and then we'll start the recording. So I'll I'll open our Zoom meetings and I'll show you where you can start the recording. So we want to exit the minimized video. If it is minimized, it'll when you start the Zoom meeting, it'll appear as this, and you'll click record. And
recording in progress.
And it'll start the recording, and then it'll save that recording to the Zoom account, and then we'll access that later. We'll save it in our own documents. But now that I've started, I cannot minimize. Anyway, we'll go ahead and end it. You won't end it, but
record
to show you here, we will ask them for permission and start the recording.